Welcome to Honda Bolton. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of this Honda approved Jazz IVTEC S that we currently have in stock here today. Finished in a stunning shining grey, it does come with your 1.3 petrol engine, making for the perfect city drive. For any further information, please give us a call on 01204 827 906. Starting at the front of the vehicle, it does come with the complementing LED daytime running lights, which really do illuminate the road in front of you without dazzling those other road users. You do also have your rain sensing wipers, and it does sit on these lovely 15-inch steel wheels, which really do look amazing against this model, followed by your electronically adjustable door mirrors. They do also have your indicators integrated there as well. Taking a look into the rear interior, it is a full fabric finish, so it is extremely comfortable for all three passengers. Fitted with ISOFIX points on each of your rear seats. You do have plenty of space below with a behind seat storage pocket to the left. And if you do require more space, you do even have your magic seat system if you don't have any travelling passengers. As this is the 2020 reg, it does come with just over 16,000 miles, complemented on the rear by your Jazz badging. If we go ahead and take a closer look into the boot space now, you do have plenty of space for any personal or day-to-day items. You can also pop down your back seats if you do require even further space. I'll now be giving you a full tour into the exceptional features that are included in this Jazz edition. So if we go ahead and take a closer look into the front interior now, you are complemented by your multifunctional steering wheel at the centre, and the cloth interior does continue throughout, so it's extremely comfortable, and you can manually operate these seats into the required position using the levers on either side. Taking a seat in the front now, on your driver's door you will find your control panel to operate all 4 electronic windows, along with your central locking system and your outer wing mirror adjustments, with additional storage just underneath. It does even come with a handy cup holder to your right hand side there. This vehicle is fitted with your speed limiter and your cruise control options, so it is very handy, especially on those longer journeys, with your buttons just to the bottom right to control your small digital screen. And of course on the left you do have your mounted audio controls. So if we go ahead and take a look at the small screen to the right there, you can flip through various car functions, and it does even let you know how many miles you've got left and you need to refuel. In the centre it does come with your 5-inch display screen, with your various surrounding audio controls, including your radio stations, which you can flip through or even pop in a CD in the integrated CD player above. You can also connect your smartphone device by using the USB port or the integrated Bluetooth to listen to your own music there as well. Just below it does include your climate control dials, which does include your air conditioning just below, and it does come with your rear heated windscreen, so it is very handy to have in those colder winter conditions. And taking a look underneath, it does come with several charging power outlets with a small pocket to keep any charging devices secure in place. With your 2 integrated cup holders, it is a manual transmission, so you do have your manual gear stick in the centre, along with your manual parking brake and several small storage compartments to keep any personal items close by. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you do have any further questions or would like to give us a call on 01204 827 906, and a member of our Honda team will be happy to help.